see the Christmas decoration. Come on. Come on. Cross here. This side. This side. Cross. Now we see the Christmas decoration. Okay. Let's go. This side. This side.
Joyful and triumphant, O come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. O come, let us adore him. O come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. God of God, light of light, lo, he abhors not the virgin's womb. Very God begotten, not created.
Good morning. Oh, it was blurry. I'm arriving from my walk with Frosty. I have my coffee, I have my toast. I have the end, and I toasted, so more crunchy. And I will begin to read the book that I need to go to the page that I need for my Advent, and then I do the Advents. Okay, let's do this. I just read what I need to read, and now let's see the Advents. My Sudoku Advent for later. Tea, let's see which one we have. Today is 10. 10. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of lost on the days. 10 days. What is a spooky spice? Oh, we didn't have that one. And what is this? Spooky spice. Has green tea with cinnamon, ginger, cardamom cloves, nutmeg, and pepper. It sounds like almost everything that all the others had, but I don't remember having a spooky spice, or maybe I had and I didn't really pay attention. And number 10 looks like a very big here. The one from yesterday was the chocolate chips. Oh my gosh, that was so good. Is a picture? It's not a picture of the chocolate chip, but it was so good. And this one is just a regular one. And now I'm reading the book, and I came really quick to the gift thing. So far is two sisters that are getting ready for different part of their life. One is going to college, the other is beginning an adult life, and both of them were looking for a water bottle, and for some reason they found one that really liked, that is pink with green, but it was the last one, and one girl went and took that one, so they couldn't get that. It says here that a box, something arrived for her and her sister the next morning, and say Ella spot in the middle of the day when she came back inside. She picked the box, opened it, and gasped when she saw the familiar pink and green ombre. And she asked to her mom if she got it. So, of course, I'm thinking it's a water bottle. And we'll see. Let's go fish. What number there? This is number 4 or 5. 5. Hey, oh, this has shape of water bottle. 5. Yep, this has a shape like that. Okay. Oh, it's getting lower. Let's put this away and let's look at this. It totally sounds like a tumbler. And it has kind of that shape, pink and green. It's kind of more like purple. Great tracking water. Once upon a book, and it has. I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I can put it in a way that you can see better this bottle. And here is. So it has like kind of pinkish purple, more than pinkish purple, and go to green. I love the colors. I really like. And it's a You Are a limited edition. It has some books. There it tracks. Oh, it's like my bottle. I actually love this. It has something else. Let me see. It has something inside here. And this was inside. So this, I'm guessing, is to hold the bottle. You have also a straw. Perfect. So, and the sealing part. I really like this. And it's a refill. Perfect. I got my new bottle and it's really cute. I love that. And it blocks a little more the light. That is good because sometimes when it's clear, it gets a lot of mold growing. It's weird, but it happened very often with the clear one and I have to wash very, very good. Okay, got a new bottle. Love it. I will continue reading and then I will do this and then I will finish my project if I don't fall asleep first. I've been doing a lot of decoration. I still removing things. I put my little wrist. I made this. It's all felt. I saw that one maybe 5 years ago. I don't remember. I removed a lot of the yarns that were here, and now I have a little more space for more patterns that I will move from here to here. I got a ribbon that I need, and this is what I did laundry yesterday. Laundry from today. Oh, this I have to put away. And I will stop my sock working. These ones are my old ones, the ones that I use every day. And this is the shape that they are. I keep fixing them. This one is okay, but I keep fixing them, and I cannot find like more of these kind of socks, so I'm knitting more for myself. Time to get a tea. Oh, I want to do my tea, and I will say, just like the smell is so average, like nothing special. I feel like it's missing flavor. I think I would put a little of milk just to make it better, but usually I don't put in herbal tea, only if it's like a chai tea. But this kind is, I don't know, I would put a little of milk. Maybe it will improve. I just finished my socks. I didn't have enough to finish that part, so I put a little gray. But you're gonna see. And now I have new socks, and they're really comfortable. Actually, it feels really good. I think with this, are we going to finish this vlog? Yeah. And we will go to bed. I think we will do. He's waiting for me to go to bed. And it is, actually it's too late. I think I will be editing this video tomorrow, and will be a little late, so I'm so sorry. Thank you so much, and I see you tomorrow. Good night.